You're welcome to DBA TV, where we discuss every international trade and helping Nigerians and Africans solve their export and trade business problems. In the last episode, I talked about top agro commodities that different states have to offer the world market. In this video, I will talk about top solid minerals that different Nigerian states have to offer world market. If you are still thinking of what can be exported from Nigeria, follow me as we explore what does Nigerian state have to offer world market. First of all, let me talk about different commodities or minerals that are found in Nigeria according to the federal government of Nigeria. Number 1 is barite, number 2 is ginseng, number 3 is kaolin, number 4 is talc, number 5 is diatomite, number 6 bentomite, number 7 limestone, number 8 clay, number 9 dolomite, number 10 bismuth, number 11 molybdenite, number 12 granite, number 13 magnesite, number 14 marble, number 15 feldspar, number 16 mica, number 17 phosphate, number 18 fluorite, number 19 kyanite, number 20 quartz, number 21 silica, sand, number 22 gold, number 23 coal, number 24 bitumen, number 25 considerate, number 26 iron ore, number 27 lead ore, number 28 zinc ore, number 29 magnesium, number 30 illuminite rutile, number 31 wolframite, number 32 lithium, the one that a lot of people are exporting right now with huge demand because of battery, number 33 tantalite, number 34 silver. Now, I will now move on to discuss each Nigerian state, and I will go from geopolitical zone to geopolitical zone. I'll move from one geopolitical zone to the other. What each Nigerian state have to offer. What each Nigerian state have to offer. Nigerian states have a lot to offer. Like I said in the last video, the challenge of Nigerian state is that the manager of the state, not all, but most, are not managers. They are there to share the money. Most, not all, are there to share the money. So they just want to wait. I often say that it's like a father who knew that if he does nothing from January 1 to January 31st, he will still get money to take care of his family. There is no incentive to be productive. That is the pain of Nigerian state. No incentive to be productive. Even though the state have a lot to offer, they would rather wait for the sharing that happens at the end of every month from Abuja. Let's start with the Southwestern State. Remember again, don't crucify me. Some of these materials, my list is not exhaustive. My list is not exhaustive. My list is not exhaustive. So please don't crucify me. There might be other ones that can be found in the state that are not stated here. It's just to stimulate conversation, to help as many people as possible who are looking for what to export to know where they can find them in Nigeria. Lagos, Southwest, Lagos, Ekiti, Oyo, Osun, Ondo, and Ogun State. What can Lagos offer? Silica sand, bitumen, sharp sand, gravel, petroleum, and laterite. Ekiti State, clay, chalcotite, quartzite, lignite, limestone, granite, gemstone, bauxite, cassiterite, columbite, tantalite, feldspar, kaolin. Who say Ekiti State is poor? Oyo State. What can Oyo State offer the world? Clay, feldspar, granite, illuminite, iron ore, kaolin, quartz, tar, marble, dolomite, aquamarine, amethyst. Who say Osun State is poor? Clay, granite, tar, dolomite, illuminite, feldspar, quartz, limestone, mica, clay. These are all raw materials that can be used by different factories around the world. What the state needs to do is to partner with technical partners that will come and mine, and they have a sharing formula of how much they will be able to, of how much they are able to export and sell. And in some cases, technical partners can even buy off them in dollars and export it. And the state can do 60, 40, 70, 30, whatever it is that works. The idea is that Nigerian states have a lot to offer as far as export is concerned. And I started a series recently in which I was talking about different states in Nigeria and what they have to offer. And I've done Abia and I've done Adamawa. Ondo, marble, gold, gemstone, clay, diorite, lignite, and bitumen. Ogun State, kaolin, feldspar, silica, sand, mica, granite, clay, phosphate, gypsum, limestone, quartz, tar sand. Let's move on away from the Southwestern State. Let's move on to the Southeastern State, where we have Anambra, Enugu, Imo, Abia, and Ebonyi. Anambra State, clay, iron stone, natural gas, petroleum, sandstone, kaolin, pyrite, and lignite. Who say Enugu is poor? Lateritic clay, crude oil, kaolitic clay, ball clay, iron ore, glass, sand, coal is called the coal city. Petroleum, gypsum, silica, and ceramic clay. Who say Imo is poor? Crude oil, shale, natural gas, kaolin, laterite, limestone, salt, and marble. See what Abia State have to offer. Alesoti will see this. Glass sand, limestone, salt, shale, ball clay, galena, that's lead or pure lead ore, marble, laterite, bentonite, phosphate, kaolin, pyrite, feldspar, petroleum, lignite, gypsum, shaleite, clay. And then lastly, Ebonyi State in Southeastern State, lead zinc. I've bought lead zinc from Ebonyi. I've exported lead from Ebonyi before. We have Ishiagu, Impuma, and America. I'm trying to remember some of those places we buy lead and zinc from Ebonyi many years ago. Lead, zinc ore, salt, limestone, ball clay, refractory clay, gypsum, and granite. Let's move on to the SouthSouth State. Of course, you know this is the state where you have a lot of petroleum products, but they don't just have petroleum products. They also have other things to offer Nigeria. That is the interesting thing about this country. That is the interesting thing about this country. The fact that different states of Nigeria have something to offer. Almost every state has something to offer. Akwa Ibom, clay, glass. In the south, we have the Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Edo, Delta River, and Bayelsa. Clay, glass sand, salt, silica sand, granite, coal, petroleum, natural gas, kaolin, limestone, and lignite. Cross River, salt, limestone, coal, manganese, mica, illuminite, gold, quartz, glass, tourmaline. Petroleum, natural gas, kaolin, tin, mica, sharp sand, clay, spring water, salt deposit, tar, granite, galena, lead zinc, tin, geotite, muscovite, uranium, barite. See what Cross River have to offer. Cross River might not have a lot of access to the oil well, but Cross River have a lot to offer in terms of solid minerals. Delta State, gravel, silica sand, natural gas, petroleum, ball clay, bauxite, granite, rivers, sand, Ghana River sand, clay, spring water, kaolin, lateritic clay. Edo State, chamokite, copper, gold, marble, granite, gypsum, petroleum, diorite, lignite, limestone, ceramic clay. Rivers, petroleum, natural gas, silica, sand, and sand, glass, and clay. Bayelsa, salt, petroleum, natural gas, silica sand. You know, recently there have been a lot of discussion on TV, online, discussing about Nigerian products. A particular lawyer was saying the fact that billions of dollars of gold are ferried out of Nigeria by plane and private jets, and government is looking away because the people involved are pretty much powerful people, politicians, rich people. And the government of different states need to begin to look at these minerals because there's so much opportunity within the mineral space. So much opportunity within the mineral space. Let's look at Northeast. Adamawa, Bauchi, Borno, Gombe, Taraba. You know, and Yobe. Northern state Nigeria are blessed, significantly blessed. But of course, because the state governors are not really taking minerals seriously and agree seriously because they have other options, they are leaving all these minerals. Look at Adamawa, granite, clay, gypsum, limestone, uranium, kaolin, trona, barite, salt, marble, magnesite, laterite. Bauchi State, kaolin, trona, gypsum, cassiterite, mica, clay, tantalite, galena, iron ore, gemstone, ferrite, silica sand, barite, columbite, tin, zinc, lead, muscovite, quartz, glass sand, salt, monazite, feldspar, graphite, wolfram, coal, agate, tantalum, rutile, tungsten, copper, tar, illuminite, zircon. One state, oh, just one state. Look at Bonum, silica sand, natural salt, sapphire, topaz, mica, quartz, gypsum, uranium, iron ore, magnesite, feldspar, granite, aquamarine, neophylline, limestone, kaolin, bentonite, laterite, clay, refractory clay, trona, gold, tin, potash. Just one state in Nigeria, northern state. Gombe, graphite, kaolin, limestone, silica sand, uranium, coal, halite, clay, gypsum, diatomite, granite, Taraba, fluorspar, garnite, tourmaline, sapphire, zircon, tantalite, columbite, cassiterite, barite, galena, gypsum, limestone, laterite, bauxite, calcite, magnetite, pyrite, lead and zinc ore in one state. One state. Yobe, salt, trona, diatomite, clay, gypsum, kaolin, silica sand, limestone, epsomite, iron ore, trona, shale, uranium, granite, bentolytic clay. Let's move on to northwest rather, where we have Kaduna State, Kano State, Katsina State, Kebbi State, Sokoto State, Jigawa State, and Zamfara State. Kaduna, muscovite, granite, gold, clay, graphite, sand, zircon, kyanite, tin, illuminite, gemstone, columbite, manganese, and lithium. Katsina, gold, manganese, lateritic clay, feldspar, black tourmaline, amethyst, quartz, kaolin, mica, gypsum, silimatite, clay, granite, uranium, asbestos, tourmaline, serpentine, chromite, ilmenite, gold, graphite, iron ore, potash, and silica sand. Kano, clay, laterite, cassiterite, columbite, ilmenite, galena, kaolin, ferrochrite, gemstone, silica, tin ore, monazite, wolframite, thorium, granite, halite, kaolin, beryl, amethyst, gold. Kebbi, salt, iron, gold, feldspar, limestone, quartz, bauxite, clay, manganese, kaolin, mica. Sokoto State, silica, clay, salt, limestone, phosphate, gypsum, kaolin, laterite, potash, granite. Jigawa State, glass, granite, laterite, lateritic clay, silica, kaolin, iron ore, quartz, potash, tar, and limestone. Zamfara State, gold, aluva gold, granite, chromite, chalcite, clay, feldspar, lead, iron, spring water. Then the North Central State, Benue, Kogi, Kwara, Nasarawa, Plateau, Niger, and Plateau State, plus FCT. Look at Benue, the food basket, bentonite, crude salt, petroleum, limestone, glass sand, gemstone, barite, feldspar, marble, mica, silica, quartz, fluorspar, wolframite, bauxite, shale, magnetite, ilmenite, galena, zinc ore, lead ore, clay, coal, gypsum, kaolin, anhydrite, calcium, sulfate, brick clay, crushed and dimension stone, and brainite. Kogi State is doing a lot with limestone because with the cement there. Clay, iron, gemstone, marble, limestone, feldspar, dolomite, phosphate, mica, cassiterite, granite, ornamental stone, coal, and kaolin. Kwara, clay, kaolin, silica sand, quartz, dolomite, marble, feldspar, gold, tantalite, cassiterite, granite, and limestone. Nasarawa State, cassiterite, gemstone, this is the Southern State, amethyst, beryl, chrysolite, emerald, garnet, sapphire, topaz, barite, galena, monazite, zircon, glass sand, coal. Remember, it's not exhaustive. It's not exhaustive. I know natural has more than this. It's not exhaustive. Please. Niger, Berkeley, kaolin, limestone, granite, glass sand, iron ore, red clay, feldspar, gold, graphite, cyanide, silica sand, quartz, asbestos, marble, talc, and glassstone. Plateau State, monazite. I've done a number of products I exported bought from Plateau. Monazite, feldspar, clay, casterite, gemstone, kaolin, dolomite, mica, zircon, marble, talc, galena, lead, and zinc, ilmenite, barite, quartz, FCT, kaolin, limestone, granite, marble, feldspar, mica, dolomite, clay, sand. What does this tell you about Nigeria? A blessed country with every state having something to offer the world in export, but the managers are not doing enough. The managers are not doing enough. The manager of the country are not doing enough. There's no reason why any state in Nigeria should be said to be poor. There's no reason why. But what has been the case? Many states are poor. Many states cannot even pay salaries. And here are what they can export. You have heard it today. You have learned. You now know the state in Nigeria where you can find some of these products and be able to export them. If this video has been of immense benefit to you, thank you for stopping by. Subscribe to the channel. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let us know other products that can be exported that I have not mentioned. Please, let us know that are found in your state. Which of these can found in your state I have not mentioned? Also, remember to click on the notification bell so you know when we upload the next video. The next video we'll be talking about what can be exported, what was exported in 2022, and other products besides agri and solid mineral that can be exported. My name is Little Imibo, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.